Hi, this is Vizi Broadway channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage WhatsApp chat list. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! WhatsApp is making it easier than ever to manage your conversation with the introduction of custom lists. This new feature allows users to categorize their chats, helping to streamline communication and keep your message organized. So here's how to manage your list. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. As you can see, I have three lists on my WhatsApp. It default list from WhatsApp. If you want to add the new one, you can just tap on the plus icon on here and create the new one. Maybe this one. Add people and groups. Create list. So here's your list, your new list, and you can manage by tap on the upper right corner the three dots over here. Tap on settings. Scroll down. Tap on list. So here's tap on upper right corner pencil icon on here. Edit list. If you want to make your list, this family list, appear on the front, you can just tap and hold, and here you can slide it to the top. Now you can just tap on checklist. You can go back. Now here's your list will be appear on the in the front. It's so simple, right? So that is how to manage your WhatsApp chat list. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.